When I look to the statistics of my channel, and if I interpret it in the correct way, YouTube searches account for 29%. External, meaning in some other web pages, links are embedded, but this one, which is direct or unknown, indicates that people go through the URL. And even if I go down here on that external traffic, Google searches are the vast majority, and IBM put links to my videos. But it seems to me that people get to the channel for any of these mechanisms, and they may overlook the fact that in the video description of all my videos, I put this link. When you click in it, you are brought to a public box folder that has a bunch of folders that accompany the material that I do in some of the videos. And of course, not everyone has a folder. But if you go to the end of this list, and I don't know why they put it at the end, you'll find the latest version of this file. And why I think that's important is in this file you'll find kind of organized by topic list of videos that I have created, along with the date that it was done, so you know how current the material is. And in the most recent one, I even put the duration of the actual video. This is once you download this, you can do Control F and then search in a more less distracting way, let me put it that way, about the videos that I have on the channel. And I see a lot of people asking for things, and I reply on the comments, well, have you seen the PDF? And so this short video is just to indicate that there are very many videos that can complement your knowledge. This has been very popular during the pandemic, securing your network at home. That want to bring awareness of the existence of this PDF, and if you feel like it, you can download it and get the latest version, and being able to quickly look for what you want to know in Curator. And if I have created a video on it, you'll find it here.